and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a header row on Google Sheets so that when you scroll down, this first header will still be here whenever you scroll down. So it's pretty simple actually. You can select the row, I guess. Here, right click, view more row actions, freeze up to row 1, and when you scroll down, the header will still be there. Or the more simple option you can choose is you can just drag this line and drag it here, and when you scroll down, it's still going to be there. You can also do it with the one on the left by pressing this, so that when you scroll to the right, no matter how far you scroll, you'll still be able to see the headers essentially. And that is pretty much it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!